Hi, I am here for week 5 of chemistry on fireproofing balloons experiment. So what you will need is some sort of flame. I'm going to use a candle so I don't have to hold the flame. 2 balloons. I chose pink and the white one has water in it. It's got a 1/4 cup of water, and then my torch. So that is what you will need for this experiment. Come along, let's have some fun and see what happens. So now that we have our supplies, basically what is going to happen is the flame, we all know, is really hot. So the balloon that does not have any water in it, it should pop. It should melt the rubber balloon and just burst. Then with the water-filled balloon, it should just put soot on it because of the water being inside of it. It will actually absorb the heat since water is more denser and it takes a lot to heat up the water. So it should just absorb all the heat from the flame and not pop the balloon at all. So we are going to find out. Come and have fun with us. So here we go. I've got my torch and I'm going to light my candle so I don't have to hold the torch on, because when you have messed up hands, it's kind of difficult. So as you can tell, I'm fighting with the torch. And the candle doesn't want to light. Oh, it lit. Okay, great. Okay, so I got my candle lit. First off, the pink balloon with just air, just has air. I chose pink just because it's easier to see. So I'm going to put it over. It should pop it. It should melt it actually, because the flame is really hot. There goes that one, and it blew out the candle too. So as you can see, it literally melted it right in half. Okay, let's try the water-filled balloon. Got to light my candle. It actually did crazy stuff to the wick. Okay, so that took a lot longer than I thought it was going to. So we're going to try this one. Hopefully it doesn't pop. It shouldn't pop. The water should absorb. So as you can see, it's not popping. I can feel the heat coming off the candle though. So it's not leaving any soot either on it. But I can definitely tell that the heat is going around the balloon because I can feel it on my hands. And I can see the smoke going around it. As you can tell, it does have some soot on it. As you can tell, that's why I chose a white balloon so you could see it. But it didn't pop it. And the water is a little bit warmer than what it was when I filled it. So that's how you fireproof a balloon. Adding water to it, because it absorbs all the heat inside. The water is warmer though, I can definitely tell by the sides. But thanks for joining me. So what you can see is the water-filled balloon, it didn't bust. And the one that just had air in it, it burst. That's because the water actually absorbed all the heat that the flame was giving off, and the balloon was perfectly fine. It actually got soot on it, the black stuff, and that was about it, but the balloon was perfectly fine. I want to thank you for stopping by to watch me do a fireproofing balloon. I was a bit skeptical, but in the end, it actually worked out where the water did absorb all of it. So it has been a pleasure doing this experiment and fireproofing a balloon. Have a good day.